Today we'll be testing the Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera. Akaso was kind enough to send me this camera to get some test footage with it. I've actually been looking for a good replacement ever since my GoPro action camera stopped working a while ago. You guys have to let me know what you think of it. I also wanted to talk today about dealing with adversity, not only as a creator, but in life as well. Sometimes there's things that don't always go our way, and we have to adjust and make do with what we're given. I've been thinking about adversity a lot lately, and maybe it's because I've been dealing with difficult situations and adversity myself. So here's 5 tips to help you deal with adversity and the difficult situations life may throw at you. Recently, this past week, I had a blown out tire on my van. I was just driving down the road, completely exploded, couldn't do anything about it. Now, I could have just let that event ruin my whole week and just given up on my craft and not come out here. But I still chose to come out here and get better. Just like in life, when things don't go as planned, don't let that stop you to pursue your passions. Find ways to do what you need to be able to do in order to be successful. There's always more than one way to do something. Never give up, and keep your goals in mind. I sprained my right ankle last weekend when I was out filming, and I wasn't about to let that get in the way and stop me from filming. I ended up hurting myself by getting out of my comfort zone and trying to learn a new skill. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It's a reminder that sometimes you have to push through the pain in order to achieve your goals. Trying new things can be difficult sometimes, but you sometimes have to push past that threshold of difficulty in order to achieve a new level that you never thought you could achieve. Find whatever it is that challenges you and embrace it. You'll grow from it significantly. All right, let's shift gears for a bit and talk about the Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera. It's got some impressive resolution features, including 4K 30 frames per second, and it has 6-axis in-body stabilization, so your footage will look a lot more smoother in stuff like running or sports or whatever you like to do. To my knowledge, it's one of the only cameras where the actual body of the camera is water resistant. Definitely do not submerge this without the protective case that comes with it, but this will be perfect for when I'm hiking and it starts raining. I can't tell you how many times I've been out, it starts raining, and I wish that I had an action camera, something like this that's not my phone because my phone's not waterproof, although they are making phones more water resistant. But if you're like me, where you don't have a waterproof phone, something like this that is affordable, around $170, is definitely good to have. The next thing you want to do is embrace change and adapt. I'm currently going through a career change at my day job, and it's been a roller coaster of emotions. Sometimes it's okay to sit down and observe the feelings that you need to feel, because if you don't, then they're going to build up and it's not going to be helpful. But by observing them and adapting to where you need to go, you can make it out okay. My next tip is if you want to connect and collaborate. It's really easy to feel isolated from others and as well as other creators, but sometimes you just have to take the initiative and reach out. Take that time to reach out to someone that you never thought you knew that you could connect with. You could help each other. Maybe it's just reviewing a thumbnail for each other and seeing if the thumbnail can be improved. Something like that can go a long way to establishing relationships, and connectiveness as a whole. My final tip is to find solutions and stay resilient. I had ants in my van a couple weeks ago, and while I could have just sat there and moped around and let all the ants just eat all my stuff and get into my bed, I decided to do something about it. So I grabbed my phone, I documented the whole process. I decided to make a piece of content that I thought would help a bunch of people. It turns out people really liked that. It was raw, it was honest. It's just incredible what you can make when you decide to just go after it. Sometimes life hands you opportunities to grow from in ways that you never thought you knew would be able to before. So there you have it, 5 tips to help you deal with adversity and life's challenges. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and check out this next video over here, where I share with you my 5 lessons that I've learned while living in a van. I'll see you over there.